I'm Damien with Pelican Parts in Renline, and today we're going to do a tech article showing you how to access the top of your engine for general service and repairs, such as air filter replacement, anything with the intake system, installing an intake. Pretty simple procedure, no tools are required but your hands. Let's get to it. The first step is going to be to partially open the top so that we can lift the back cover up and access the carpeted area that we need to pull out to get to the engine cover. Now that we have the top partially open, we can access the support cables for the back of the top and this fabric cover to undo that and be able to lift the back of the top up. On each side, there's this support cable that's just a ball and socket, and it will just pull off like so. With this cover and the support cables undone, this back of the top will just lift right up, exposing the upper compartment we need to remove and the carpeted section above the engine. To remove the upper cubby section, there's just these two quarter lock fasteners. Pull this tab up, turn counterclockwise. Same on this side. Now we can remove the whole cubby section. Should just pull up and out. We have the same quarter lock fasteners for the lower carpeted section. This will also lift up and out. Now that we have the carpeted sections removed, here's the engine cover, and there's 5 quarter lock fasteners also holding this into place. You can grab this tab, turn counterclockwise until all the tension's released. Now with all the fasteners undone, we can remove the engine access cover. Now with the engine cover removed, you have complete access to everything up top, including your air filter, your power steering fluid, and the AOS. That concludes our video on how to remove the top engine access cover. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to visit the tech article section on pelicanparts.com.